Hey guys, how to install SketchUp plugins. In this video, I will guide you on how to install SketchUp plugins and share some free plugins for you to download. Watch the full video for details. Now, what if you downloaded a file from a website? It usually comes as a .rbz file. Don't try to extract it. Instead, in SketchUp, go to Extensions, then Extension Manager. Click the red button at the bottom that says Install Extension. Select your .rbz file and click Open. That's it. The plugin is now active. Here is the second method. Simply copy the installed plugins folders from another computer and paste them into your own SketchUp plugins directory.
Wow, it installed successfully. And here are some SketchUp plugins I've uploaded to Google Drive. You can download them and start practicing right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel for updates on helpful videos.